Replacing or installing a new exterior or interior door in your Scott home may seem like a simple weekend project, but small mistakes during installation can lead to big frustrations later on, including energy loss, poor security, drafts, and premature wear. Whether you're upgrading your front entryway, replacing a storm door, or adding new interior doors, understanding what to avoid will help you get the longest-lasting and most affordable results. Choosing the wrong door for the climate. One of the most common mistakes homeowners in Scott make is selecting a door based strictly on price or appearance rather than performance. Louisiana's warm, humid climate and storm-prone seasons call for doors with strong durability, proper insulation, and weather sealing. Wood doors, for example, are beautiful but require more ongoing care to prevent swelling and warping. Fiberglass or steel may offer better long-term performance in this region if low maintenance is a priority. Incorrect door measurements. Accurate sizing is everything during door installation. Even being off by just a quarter of an inch can create alignment problems that result in sticking, gaps, or difficulty locking. Many homeowners measure the existing door rather than the frame opening, which can give misleading numbers. The space must be measured in multiple locations, top, middle, and bottom, because frames in older homes are rarely perfectly square. If you're unsure, it's best to rely on a professional measurement before ordering the door. Not preparing the door frame properly. Before installing a new door, the frame should be checked for structural soundness, rot, and moisture issues. Installing a new door into a warped or weakened frame will shorten its lifespan and reduce performance. It's also essential that the sill is level. Even a slight tilt can create uneven pressure on the hinges over time. This leads to sagging and improper sealing against drafts and rain. Skipping or misplacing weather stripping. Weather stripping may seem minor, but it plays a huge role in energy efficiency. In Scott's humid climate, poorly installed sealing can let in moisture, which leads to mold, increased utility bills, and interior comfort issues. Installers often forget the bottom sweep or choose low-quality materials that wear down quickly. Quality weather stripping ensures your home stays cool in the summer and prevents warm air from escaping during the cooler months. Improper hinge alignment. If hinges aren't installed correctly or tightened unevenly, the door won't open and close smoothly. Misaligned hinges can also put unnecessary pressure on the hardware, causing squeaks or premature wear. A door should sit flush with the frame, open freely without scraping, and latch securely every time. This is easier to achieve when the frame is square and the door is shimmed correctly during installation. Forgetting insulation around the frame. Even when a door is installed tightly, there are small gaps around the frame that need insulation. Many homeowners skip this step or use the wrong type of expanding foam, which can overfill and bow the frame. Proper installation uses low expansion foam or backer rod to seal the perimeter without changing the door alignment. Rushing the finishing work. Once the door is in place, homeowners sometimes rush the finishing touches like caulking, sealing, or painting. Exterior doors especially need complete sealing to protect them against moisture intrusion. Neglected trim, incomplete caulk lines, or exposed raw wood can lead to decay, warping, or peeling over time. Why hiring a professional can make a difference. While DIY installations can save money up front, they often cost more down the road if adjustments or repairs become necessary. Professional door installers understand local weather demands, building codes, and best practices for long-term durability. They ensure your door fits perfectly, seals properly, and enhances your home's safety, comfort, and curb appeal. If you're planning a door installation in Scott, avoiding these common mistakes will help you get a secure, energy-efficient, and beautiful result that lasts for years. And if you want peace of mind from day one, partnering with an experienced installer is the smartest way to protect your investment.